In today's lesson, you worked with words with the VCCV pattern. In today's activity, all of your words on the left have that pattern. You need to find the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern and highlight the two consonants. Once you have found the two consonants, you need to divide each word into the correct number of syllables. Let's do the first one together. The first one is ambition. I see the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern at the beginning with A, M, B, I. I know the two consonants are M, B, so I'm going to highlight those. Then I'm going to come over here to my highlighter tool, and I'm going to pick any color. I'm going to choose yellow, and I'm going to highlight the two consonants. Then I'm going to divide ambition into the correct number of syllables. I know that ambition has 3 syllables. So I'm going to type the first syllable, am, second syllable, be, and the third syllable, shun. It does not have a 4th syllable, so I'm going to leave the 4th syllable column blank. You need to continue to do the rest on your own.